Well, things continue to be dry here in the valley. Pretty breezy day we had today, and I think that may continue again tomorrow. The breeze is coming in from the north and northwest, maybe a little gusty like they were today at times, but the heavy rain again from Harvey stays in southeast Texas, and it could still be heavy tonight and tomorrow there in southeast Texas and around the Houston area, even into southwest Louisiana. I think finally it will start to kind of move away by Wednesday and especially by Thursday. Staying hot here, though. I think most of this week we're up around 100 degrees for highs, and then maybe a little cooler by the weekend as maybe our rain chances could start to come back up a little here as well. Tomorrow's highs, though, probably near 100 in most areas, even farther eastward than usual. Even places like Brownsville, Harlingen, Raymondville could be up around 100 degrees. So just a hot day all over. But I don't think you'll notice it's feeling as hot as most days in the summer because the humidity should still be down and there will be a pretty good breeze blowing. So dew points tonight. And this should be true most of tomorrow. They've been kind of hovering in this range most of the day, kind of in the 60s, which is sort of muggy, but not up here feeling very sticky like it is most of the summer around here. So we're getting a little break from the humidity because of that change in the wind directions, and that may last through about maybe Wednesday at the latest. Day planner tomorrow, we go from the 70s in the morning to mainly in the 90s all day, though, and again, maybe around 100 or slightly higher in the afternoon. But the breezes from the north and northwest gust up to about 30 miles per hour or so. Now, First 1.5 Doppler network estimating the rainfall. We've had some reports when you look back at some of the totals of already over 25 inches in spots, but the radar just clicked on a few spots there, and you see here's Houston right there, a good 20 to 23 inches on the west side of Houston, even more than that in some spots reported in town, but about 21 inches you see north of town. Even totals up to around 18 to 20 inches, not too far away from Austin, but Austin was kind of on the edge of the heaviest of rain. The Austin area anywhere from about 8 to 12 inches of rain out of the storm. But again, some of these places will add in more rain, maybe another 5 to 10 inches in local spots tonight and tomorrow. And there is a band of some heavier rain coming in. We showed you at the top of the hour. Here's Houston, which the rain is still coming down, but not super heavy. But then there is a band of heavy rain coming in from Galveston and from the Gulf. So that kind of orange color there is indicating rain falling at the rate of about an inch or more per hour. And again, that's kind of pinwheeling its way back around the center of the storm into Houston. The center of Harvey is actually about right here out over the water, but most of the rain blowing off to the north or east side. And there are actually tornado watches out also up too from about the southeast corner near Beaumont in Texas all through Louisiana and the coastal waters. But here where we are, just dry, we're on the dry westerly side with northwesterly winds. So again, Harvey, you see the track it's taken back out slowly into the Gulf. Still a tropical storm. The winds have come up slightly since last night, but still a very weak storm overall in terms of wind. Winds are at 45 miles per hour, moving east and southeast at 3 miles per hour. And the track, by this time tomorrow night or late Tuesday evening, you see it's barely moved. It's come up the Texas coast a little bit. We'll probably still be throwing some rain back into at least near Houston or southeast Texas. And then it moves away slowly on Wednesday. I think by Wednesday night, it's pretty much gone into Louisiana. And by Thursday, it's moving away through Arkansas. And that means Texas should be dry then, as it can make some rain up in the areas in the Midwest over the upcoming weekend. Here we are closer to home with kind of clear to partly cloudy skies tonight across the valley. And tomorrow should be a breezy, mostly sunny day like it was today. Not a lot of change, although I think we should see a little more sunshine tomorrow. Kind of clouded over today. I think the air may dry out more tomorrow. So more sunshine means more heat with highs around 100 tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday. We could drop temperatures a little by the weekend. That's something we'll talk about next half hour, that some tropical moisture could bring at least some showers or maybe a storm in spots as early as Saturday or Sunday. We'll track those rain chances in your First 1.5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at 10.